What's going on, future entrepreneurs? We are back. I am back with another COTPS update for the day. Why am I still making COTPS videos? Because even though we have SMS issues, because the system is still working, the system is still functioning, I'm still being able to make trades. So I'm going to keep on making videos until the system stops letting me make trades. Alright, so if you want to come back and read the disclaimer, you can pause it, come back, rewind, and read it at your own time. And before we get into today's video, go ahead and give me the LNS special. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button for more content. I'll be talking about today the COTPS system. I'll still be talking about other crypto and affiliate marketing things, as well as some of my stocks, which I haven't talked about in a while, but I'll be doing that probably later on this week. Thank you guys for watching me so far. I really appreciate it. I appreciate everyone who's already subscribed and showed me so much love. And that's enough of that. Let's get into today's video. The COTPS system is still up, it's still running. You still see the scrolls going up and down the screen, which means the profits are still going through. Trades are still being made. So let's get to my account. As of now, as of today, as of 5/18 at around 8 a.m., which account is this? This is the wrong account. Let me go ahead and sign to the right account, then I'll be right back. Okay, we're back to the right account. This account is almost at $6,000. And there'll probably be at 6,000 by the end of the day if things keep going the way that they are going. As you can see, I just switched browsers. In my other browser, I'm using the other account, which is my $20 account. That's the one I kind of logged into. But this browser is the one with a bigger account, which is still growing. Let me hit the refresh button so I can show you guys this is not just a screenshot. This is me on my own account. This browser is a little slow, so. Okay, there we go. So right now we're at $59.23. Income for the day is $70 already, and it's only 8 a.m. in the morning. I normally do it at 8:30 because I won't have any more transactions come through by then because of the last transaction you can see was around 7:30. So it's normally 2 hours and a little bit over, probably 2.5, 2 hours and 15 minutes. So it'll be past 8:30 by then anyway. So I decided to go ahead and make the video. So let's go ahead and do the stats on this. We're on day number 53. Day number 53 at 59.23. Well, let me just double check to make sure. Yeah, 59.23. Pull out our handy dandy calculator so I can give you guys the stats on how the account is doing for the day. And it's close to 6,000 on day 36. We were at 30,000. On day 35, we were at 30,000. And on day number 53, we almost cracking the $6,000 mark, which almost doubled since then. So it's picking up steam. The account is growing. Even though we're not referring anyone as of now. So don't join right now. I'm just showing you guys this just to show you that the system is still working, that the system hasn't crashed, that there is no other attacks or nothing like that, no other issues besides the SMS issue that we're waiting to be fixed. So 59.23 minus the 56.89, and that goes to $234. So we're over $230 for the day. And we're going to divide that by 59.23. That's going to give us 3.95%. So we're still close to 4%. 3.95, not 6. 3.95%. So, I mean, the account is, as long as my account is open, as long as my account is making trades, as long as my account is, as long as the system isn't shut down, I can log into the site. I'm going to be showing you guys what my account looks like. So that's what it looks like as of now. Let's see. Let's also go to the other chart that was open. Let me see if I can find that right quick. Okay, here we are with the other chart. This is the income producer calculators, I'm going to call it. I just made that name up. It's pretty much just showing the projection of 3%. If I was to get 3% every single day of the week from the amount that I put in, I just added my own transactions that were happening during that time, whether I added, or I took out, whether I gave it away, which I did give away $100. That's why it's minus 100 right there. And I added 104. I added 1753, which is like $20. And I added another 500 from another crypto investment that I had that was going down. So come down here to day number 53. And what was the amount again? The amount was 59.23 on day number 53. And if I look at the chart, 59.23 would be somewhere. So by the end of the day, I'm expecting to be close to 6,000. So I should be on day number 60, but I'm on day number 53. So I'm ahead of schedule as far as that's concerned, as far as the stats. And I had plan on making my first withdrawal on day 68. I was going to take out 2,000, which was actually more than my $1,600 investment. But by the end, if things keep going the way they're going, I'll just let it. And once the SMS thing gets fixed, then I'll make the withdrawal on day 68, which would be probably more than 2,000 because my things keep going the way they're going, and the SMS thing gets fixed and it gets updated as we all expect. Then I'll make a withdrawal, which probably more than 2,000 because I'm expecting to have more than 7,500. Let's go ahead and see what I can see if I can kind of predict it. Let's see. Right now I am 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days ahead of schedule. So let's see if I come down here and let's see if I can predict 7 days ahead of this particular number. So 1, 2, 3. Well, let me go ahead and take the minus 2,000 out, then I'll do it the 7 days after that. So that'll give me the correct number. Let's see, we can delete this. So it's going to be day number 68. Then we jump down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if things go the way the system is going, if things keep going in the current direction, I should be close to $9,200, if not more, by day number 68. If that holds up, I'll definitely probably take out, instead of 2,000, I'll probably take out 3,000, if not 3,500, something like that. But that's just that's what my plan is. If the system comes back, I'll take out the withdrawal on that date. If not, then I'll come back and tell you guys the system isn't working anymore, and I'll explain to you what we're going to be moving on to next. But until then, guys, I'm going to keep on making videos. I'm going to keep on pumping them out. I'm going to keep on giving you guys updates every single day whenever I get a chance. It's the Passive Income Trucker. Give me the HBO special now, guys. Give me the HBO special. Give me the Help a Brother Out special. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. Go ahead and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my other videos that are going to be upcoming. This is the Passive Income Trucker. I'm out.